Members of the Delhi Legislative Assembly, led by opposition leader Shri Vijayendra Gupta, have appealed to the President Draupadi Murmu for urgent intervention in the ongoing constitutional crisis plaguing Delhi. The delegation met the President and submitted a memorandum highlighting a series of grave concerns about the functioning of the Aam Aadmi Party government under the Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal on 30th of August. At the forefront is the issue of the governance paralysis, with Chief Minister Kejriwal in jail for over 4 months on serious corruption charges related to the now scrapped Delhi excise policy scam. Despite his imprisonment, Kejriwal has refused to resign, creating an unprecedented situation that has led to a complete breakdown of governance model in Delhi. Critical administrative decisions are being delayed and essential services are severely affected, directly impacting the lives of the citizens of Delhi. Meanwhile, President has forwarded the complaint to Ministry of Home Affairs. And let me also bring in to you the memorandum that has been now submitted by the delegation that was led by Vijayendra Gupta, who is the former MLA of the Legislative Assembly, and also issued this to the President, saying that now it is of course on the part of the Aam Aadmi Party to dismiss the government in the Delhi, which is now in a paralysis mode as far as the governance model is concerned, as Chief Minister of Delhi Arvind Kejriwal has been lodged in jail on the charges of corruption. And right now, the President was addressed on a requesting basis to take the stock of the situation where governance model was crippling in the national capital. All right, viewers, as you can see in the memorandum that has now been submitted to the President, what is being mentioned here is the fact to acknowledge the receipt of the letter which was dated on August 30th to address the President of India. When this memorandum has been jointly signed by 7 other MLAs and former MLA of the Delhi Legislative Assembly to escalate the matter further to the Home Secretary. All right, viewers, joining me on the broadcast is my colleague Mehndi. Mehndi, as politics in Delhi continues to peak, but at this point of time, this is the latest where of a significant move, a letter or a memorandum rather has been now issued and sent to President Draupadi Murmu to take a stock of the situation that's been prevailing in Delhi as far as the governance model is concerned, taking a sharp jibe against the Chief Minister of Delhi Arvind Kejriwal for not having the ability to manage the crisis under which the Delhi is reeling.
Well, yes, Simran, the politics is at its peak right now in Delhi, in the national capital of India, because, earlier in the days at 30th of August, all the 7 MLAs of Delhi, along with the LOP Vijayendra Gupta, they all signed a memorandum and appealed to the President of this country, Srimati Draupadi Murmu, to, dismiss the Aam Aadmi Party government in Delhi, giving several reasons that there is a constitutional paralysis in Delhi. And, while Arvind Kejriwal, the Chief Minister of Delhi, is in jail right now, he is not at all ready to resign from his post. So that's why the constitutional paralysis is happening in Delhi, and no proper governance is happening. So giving these reasons, Bharatiya Janata Party was in an attacking mode in earlier days also, back in the days also. But on 30th August, they have sent an official memorandum, an official paper to the President of India to dismiss this government that is in the national capital, that is the Aam Aadmi Party government. And the latest that we are getting right now is that letter, that memorandum by the President of India has been offered to the Home Ministry. And this political revenge between the Bharatiya Janata Party and the Aam Aadmi Party has taken a very big turn right now, because after the memorandum that has been sent to Draupadi Murmu now has been sent to the Home Ministry, and it has been confirmed by the Home Ministry also that the memorandum and the appeal that has been done done by the LOP Vijayendra Gupta along with the MLAs of Delhi has been sent to Home Ministry, and Home Secretary has also issued a letter confirming this, and now several discussions will be happening on this issue, because this is a very big issue right now in Delhi, Simran, also because Delhi BJP keeps on attacking the Aam Aadmi Party of not doing proper governance in Delhi, not having proper guidelines or proper constitutional framework to run Delhi's government. That's why Delhites are facing a lot of problems. So yes, this was an ongoing problem, and if we talk about BJP versus Aam Aadmi Party in Delhi, then also this political crisis and this political war of words is very long back. It has been started when Arvind Kejriwal went to jail. They are demanding for his resignation from a very long time, but Arvind Kejriwal is very firm on his decision that he will run the government from jail, but he will not resign from the post of the chief minister, and he will not resign from the post of the the chief minister in Delhi and the Aam Aadmi Party's chief also. So Delhi BJP was attacking the whole of the Aam Aadmi Party, that they are only the press conferences government and they don't want to do good for the people of Delhi living in Delhi. So yes, this war of words waged long time back, but now the politics have taken turns, and because this appeal by the MLAs of the LOP, this has taken a new turn.
All right.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.